Alright, the lock I have now is a, well, I've heard it pronounced differently. I just say GeGe, so that's how I'm going to say it, GeGe. It's a eAP2000 5-pin lock, some really good bitting, and what makes this difficult to pick is the keyway, and GeGe is Kaba. Extremely paracentric. If you see down here at the bottom, you can't pick off the bottom because you have this piece of warding and that piece of warding, and then you have to go basically between here, but you're still rubbing up against this piece of warding and that piece of warding to try and get underneath the drill hole in this piece of warding for the pins. So it's even with a 15 thousandths pick I'm going to use, I need to use a short hook because of the low front cut pin in order to set the rest of them. It's still a difficult pick with the keyway. So I'll get this clamped up and we'll get to picking it. Oh man. There's 3. Five. One. 4. Come on. This thing doesn't really give good feedback at all. That was 5 and 4 again. Three. And 5. Jiminy Christmas. Couldn't feel shit in this thing. Alright. Alright. Other side. Yep. Alright. As you see, it's picked. I'm going to... Nope. I almost screwed that up. There we go. Do it like such. Jesus, that was tough. Alright. Now down to the good stuff. Okay, there we go. I need the little one. Okay. Get all this crap out of the way. Alright. For being just a 5-pin lock, this thing was tough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my first time getting this, so we'll see how it goes. I haven't been able to see what's inside this yet, so I'm as interested as you may be. Okay, very thick serrations. Standard with beveled edges. Standard. Serrated. There we go. Okay. That's why it was so tough. Okay, we have these serrated ones right here. Very deep, sharp, thick serrations. And that's 1, 4, and 5. And then on 2 and 3, I don't know if the camera will be able to make this out, but there is beveled edges on the on either end of these. See if I can turn it around a little bit. And it's weird, they don't go all the way around them. They're on like 2 sides of them. I know it'd be hard to tell, but yeah, so beveled edges, and then plus there's counter milling on 2 through 5. 1's nothing, and then, yep, 2 through 5. So those are designed to catch on the serrations, and especially when you have beveled edges with that, you always end up having to set those a lot of times. So, and then with this bitting, trying to sneak under number 1 to set high number 2, with this warding was very difficult. Give you a close up. Serrated, beveled edge, serrated, serrated, and then all the key pins are standard. And the key. Alright. Well, that's all I have on the GeGe. I think it's eAP2000, or it might just be AP2000. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. If you like the video, please subscribe. And remember, more you practice, better you'll get. Thanks for watching.